Hi everyone, welcome back to Be at the Movement. Today we're going through a beginner back flexibility routine. So if you are new to doing some back stretches or you're looking to improve your back flexibility, this is the video to start you off. Let's get into it. We don't need any props today, just a mat and yourself. Let's go. Starting on our stomachs, coming into our exercise one. Our stretch one is our Cobras. Really stretching those legs out long. We are coming up into that Cobra position here. So this is where you can choose your level. If you're a beginner starting from scratch, just come down, and you can even come down to the elbows here. Slowly coming back down. If you are a dancer and you have quite a flexible back, but you're just looking to start off with some light stretching, then just put your hands next to you here like me, up and down and up to that position. Nice and slow and controlled here today. And up. Good, and down. Keeping those legs really straight for me. And up. And down. We have 3 more. Up. And down. My arms are burning here. It's like doing push-ups. Up. And down. Last one here. See if you can bring your hands a little bit further back. Pressing up. We're going to hold it here. So whatever level you're at, holding it here, breathing nice and slow. Twisting the shoulders to one side and then twisting them to the other. Trying to look back at that ankle and twist and twist and twist. One more each side. Twisting and twisting. Fantastic. Carefully bring your hips back to your bottom. I mean your feet, not your bottom. Excellent. Rolling up here through the spine. We're coming into our downward dog series now. So tuck your toes under into that downward dog here. We're going to walk the hands out to your plank. Bring your hips down and we're back in that Cobra. The difference here is that our feet are slightly more together. So it'll be a little bit more of a challenge. Tuck the toes under, rolling through the spine, getting it nice and mobile here. Press those heels to the ground while we're here. Bringing the hips back and forward, over and into that Cobra. Tuck your toes back under. And we have 2 more here. Hips go up. And the hips come down. And hold. Good. Stretching and lengthening through the back. Let's go, last one. And down. And rolling the hips down. And then pointing those toes. Lovely. Slowly come back down. I'm going to wriggle back a little bit. Coming back down to that starting position we were in before. As we come up into our Cobra, I want you to bring 1 foot into your bottom as far as you can. And we're going to stay at the top here. The legs alternate. And down. And in. And down. In. Down. In. Down. In, rolling down. And we're going to bring the hands back slightly. Coming up, we go again. In and down. So to make this harder, just bring your hands closer into your sides, next to your hips. In and down. In and down. Last one, rolling down. Going to do this one more time. Pressing up. And in and down, in and down, in. Can you go higher? Last 3, 2, last 1. rolling it down. Excellent job. Just give your lower back a little stretch out here before we get into our bridge work. All right, rolling it up, let's go. Laying on our backs, we're going to be doing some different types of bridges here. So depending on your level, if you are a true beginner, you can start with your baby bridge. So coming up and then lifting the hips here, really trying to get that arch in the back. Today, I'm going to start in an actual bridge, laying all the way down, but starting nice and simple. Hands are going to go by our sides, by our head here, rotating over with the hands like that. We're then going to press up into our bridge position and hold it for just 5 seconds. All right, let's do it. Ready? Hands go behind our head here, pressing up. 3, 2, 1. Coming up. If you need to walk your feet in, you can. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Carefully tuck the head, rolling down. Have a little rest here before our next bridge. Okay, second round for our bridge. We're going to press up. We're holding it for 7 seconds this time, and then we're going to come back down, tucking the head under. So hands come behind our head here by our side, pressing up in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Press, holding for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck that head under and rest. Good job. Okay, final back stretch for today. We're going to press up into that bridge. There are 2 options here. Our first option is to hold that bridge for 10 seconds, like we just did, but a little bit longer. Our second option is we're going to try and stretch the knees slightly. Not all the way straight, but just a little bit to get that deeper back stretch. Okay, still holding for 10 seconds, so decide what you're going to do. Option 1 or option 2. Let's do it together. Hands beside our head, going up in 3, 2, 1. Up we go. And holding here. Stretching the knees if you can. Good, if you need a little rest. 3, 2, 1. And down. Excellent, just hug those knees in, having a little rest there. We are all done for our back stretches today. Well done. I hope you enjoyed them. I'll be making an intermediate back flexibility and an advanced one very soon. So stay tuned if you are looking for that higher level. It will be there very soon. Excellent. Coming up, well done today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you soon. Bye.